Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie and I'd like to welcome you to the Free Spirit collection from FabScraps. Now, as we go on, week by week, I'm going to be doing tutorials for FabScraps and showing you how to make some gorgeous items using their collections. It's actually going to be every other Wednesday, and for every new collection, we're going to have a look at the collection before the tutorial. So I want you to sit back and relax as I just run through what's available. Now, for anybody who doesn't know, FabScraps is a South African based company. They have the most gorgeous papers and crafty items, and in each collection everything coordinates and mix and matches. And for if you're a wholesaler, you can buy it direct in bulk, or if you're just like us, normal people, and you want to know where your nearest stockist is, or you want to be able to purchase the items, please go to their website. Now, I'm going to give you the website address. It's www.fabscraps.co.za. I'm also going to add the website address below in the description box on YouTube, and I will also put it on my blog as well. So if in doubt, just check the information below the video and all the details will be there. But I thought it's really cool to look at what's available in each collection. You can see how pretty it is. It might give you ideas straight away of things that you want to do with the papers or the stickers, etc. There's items for mixed media crafters as well in each collection. So I think there's actually something for everybody, whether you're a card maker, a scrapbooker, you just like paper crafting, true decoupage, mixed media, etc. Well, have a look at the collection and see what you think. So this is called Free Spirit. I'm going to show you all the items. They're all available individually, as I say. The best way to find them is by contacting them direct. So we're going to start off with the smallest pack first. There's 19 paper embellishments in this little packet, and they're all tags, circles, shapes. Some of them are blank and some of them have got sentiments on. So I'm just going to run through them quite quickly. So we've got some scallop circles with sentiments on, beautiful birds, we've got labels, make it happen, inspire, love you, we've got tags. They all coordinate with the papers, swallowtail, flags, with beautiful florals and the dream catchers on. Different sentiments, follow your dreams, and larger tags as well. So there's 19 embellishments coordinated. I think there's one missing from that pack because I've just put it to one side for the tutorial. So those are the embellishments that go with the whole collection. Next, we have stickers. There's actually 2 sheets of different stickers. These are transparent stickers and beautiful. They have inspirational sentiments on in this set. Never give up, laugh often, follow your dreams. For just a few examples, with the dream catchers and the beautiful birds on. These are available individually and just so pretty. Now, for mixed media crafters, and for anybody that fancies doing something a little bit different, we have a range of beer board items. Now, in my country, I think we call this chipboard. So beer board, I get a kick out of saying that, beer board. It just sounds so different. It conjures up distilleries and, you know, making beer. Anyway, so I go off subject there. So the first one of the beer board items is the dream catcher. Now you'll be able to make this up, paint it, ink it, do whatever you've got to do, cover it in gemstones, that'd be really cool. You've got the holes for the ribbons, for the strings, for the feathers. Make it up and have fun with it. The second one has sentiments and tags and a border on it. There's 3 sentiments, 3 tags and 1 full border, again in the beer board. Next we have 2 stencils with this collection. So just remember, this is all one collection, available individually, but all the items mix and match. So the first stencil is the dream catcher, and the second one is for an envelope, or for maybe making a pocket, or something on your scrapbook page, something that you just add extra interest with. Next we move on to the papers. Now FabScraps are great at papers. They have an 8x8 pattern paper collection that will coordinate with the larger papers. Every paper is double-sided in this collection. So this is the first, there's 3 patterns in the 8x8 collection, and they're all double-sided, which help with your die cutting, or if you're making anything 3D, any flowers, anything like that. So those are the 3 patterns of the 8x8 papers. Next we move on to our 12x12 papers. Every one of these is double-sided, and every one is just as beautiful as the last. Now the first paper that we're looking at in the collection is Big Dreams. This is a beautiful smaller background floral. Now I'm saying background, you can use it for whatever you like, but it's just a beautiful paper. Double-sided with borders and sentiments. This gorgeous dream catcher. Frames, whether you use them as an aperture or use them as they are. The borders for your projects. Really, really beautiful paper. Now this next one is one of my favourites, just due to the amount of colour, the muted colour and the shades of the colour. It caught my eye straight away. It's called Dreamcatcher, and it is truly beautiful. So it's double-sided, and on the other side we've got the alphabet and the stamp panels. So you could add the alphabet to the stamp panel, or you could, when I say stamp, it's the shape. Not so much for rubber stamping, even though rubber stamping would be great in it. It's the shape of the stamp. So you could do so many things with that sheet, especially with those gorgeous alphabets. And there's a couple of extra letters in there as well, in case you need more A's, etc. So the next sheet is Believe in Magic. Again with this gorgeous, gorgeous colour tone way on it. And double-sided with a gorgeous pink stripe that coordinates to all of the kit. The next one is called Colour Me Happy. Again, the gorgeous colourway. And on reverse, we've got the gorgeous stripe again that coordinates. The next one is called As Time Goes By. Now this sheet is going to feature in our tutorial that's going to follow. So this is a beautiful design and very versatile, front and back. So the next one is called Secret Garden, and I just love the birds and the butterflies. How pretty is that? Again, double-sided with gorgeous postcards on. Very versatile, very useful. So this one's called Feed the Birds, with this gorgeous little bird down here on his, I don't know whether it's a bird bath or a bird feeder. We're going to have to say it's a bird feeder with the name of the paper. With the butterfly and again the florals. On the reverse we've got sentiments, ready and ideal for cards or scrapbook pages, with borders and again the frames with the beautiful designs in the centre. Then we have, last but not least, Live in Wonder. Double-sided paper, borders, birds and butterflies, stunning colours and just so pretty. And that's our collection for Free Spirit. I think you'll agree that that is a gorgeous collection and very versatile, and lots of different uses to it, whether it's card making, scrapbooking, paper crafting, etc., paper folding. And I just want to mention that the papers, you can ink on them, you can tear them, you can stamp on them, you can heat emboss them, you can dry emboss them, you can, I haven't found anything I can't do with them. Very versatile and just very, very pretty. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at our first collection for FabScraps called Free Spirit. Now after this we're going to have a tutorial to show you just an idea of what you can create with it. If you're interested in getting your hands on any of these items, please go to the FabScraps website. Again, the details will be at the bottom in the description under YouTube, and they will be on my blog. If you've got any comments, anything to say, please feel free. I do love hearing from you. So this is new for me as it is for you, showing you the collection and seeing what you think. So I would be interested in hearing what you think. And hopefully you will join me for the tutorial that's coming up next. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you soon.